Watch this video and learn how to draw a fast blue sports car. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah.
Hello, Artie.
What are we gonna do today?
Well, today we're going to draw one of your favourites, a sports car.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Yeah.
So are you in an Artie mood today, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, then, should we draw the best drawing you've ever drawn?
Oh, yeah. Yes, please. Okay, let's make some art.
Let's do it.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Let's start by drawing a small circle roughly in the middle of the page, but on the left side of the page. This is going to be the left wheel. Then draw a larger circle around it. That's going to be the tyre. You don't have to draw the circle in one go. You can do it in lots of little sections. That way, it's a little bit easier. Oh, it looks a bit like one of your eyes, Artie.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Now let's draw another circle around the first two. This one is going to be the outer side of the tyre. Don't worry if you don't draw it perfectly, because in a minute we're going to shade it in black. And when we're shading it in, we can make the shape just a little bit more perfect. If Artie's drawing a little too quickly for you little artists, don't worry, here's a message from Bobby Bananas.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thank you, Bobby, that was very helpful. Okay, Artie, now it's time to shade in this tyre. Make sure you do it nice and black, take your time, and like I said earlier, if you're not happy with the shape of your circle, now's the time you can make a few adjustments, make it just a little bit more perfect. This is looking good, Artie. I like that you're being very patient and taking your time. There's no need to rush. Oh, here's Barry Tone.
Hi, Artie. Cool.
Thanks, Barry. Always nice to see you and sometimes nice to hear you. Okay, Artie, let's draw the right wheel or the rear wheel because the first one we drew is going to be at the front of the car and then this one is going to be at the back or the rear of the car. Nice job so far. One more circle. Try and make it about the same size as the first circle that we drew or the first wheel. That's it. Take your time. No need to try and draw a circle all in one go. You can do it in sections. That's it, Artie. Very good.
I've had an idea.
Oh, you're going to tidy up your bedroom?
No.
I didn't think so. Well, what?
Artie wants a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah, let's go do dance break. Dance break.
Dancing is a form of art.
Dancing is also good exercise.
Judging dance competitions, I have never, I mean really, never seen anything quite that perfect. 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break. Yeah.
Bunny did such a good job, didn't she?
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Now it's time to shade in that rear or back or right tyre. Nice and black, just like you did the first one. Take your time, there's no rush. This reminds me, Artie, remember when we saw that sports car down the street? It was going so fast and making such a noise.
Yeah, it sounded like this.
That's right, it did. It sounded just like that. I remember you were so excited. You really like sports cars, don't you, Artie?
Yeah, Artie loves sports cars.
Well, maybe next time we see someone driving a sports car, we'll ask them really nicely if you can have a little ride in it.
Really?
Maybe. Watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. It's awesome! Okay, Artie, we have 2 really nice wheels. Now let's draw the rest of our sports car. First of all, a big horizontal line going all the way underneath and between the tyres. Now on the front side, draw a little sort of mouth shape and even some teeth inside. Now let's add a nice big curved line above that front wheel. That's it, great job, Artie. What is that music? Do you hear it? It's really familiar.
Painty! Oh no! Painty!
Uh-oh.
You know, that painty cat is kind of messy. Makes me want to sing, though. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Paint is everywhere.
Thank you, Barry, and especially thank you, Painty. Ugh, I'll have to clean that up later. Okay, Artie, let's draw the roof of the car. A nice big curvy S shape, curving up and then curving back down towards the back.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want to have a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Okay, I guess so.
Yay! Cartoon break! Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured blue.
Artie loves blue. Look, it's blue birds. It's a blue mailbox. Ooh, a shiny blue car. The sky is blue also.
Did you find some blue things?
Yeah, Artie loves blue. Bye-bye, little artists. Cartoon break, we had a cartoon break.
Was that fun, Artie?
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's add a nice J shape to the rear of the car. So imagine you're drawing a letter J. That's it, Artie. Exactly. Now let's draw a horizontal straight line across for the bottom of the door, a curved line up towards the top. Now let's draw the windshield, a straight line going up, another line underneath, and then follow the shape of the roof.
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, wow. Your drawing is as sweet as carrot cake.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Bunny hugs.
Bunny hugs.
Now let's add a little sideways U shape and a straight line. That's the wing mirror. Now let's add the top of the door. That's it. And then curve round and we have a side window. Now let's draw a U shape at the very back of the car. This is going to be the tail light or the stop light. Oh, I know, Artie. Let's add some straight lines underneath the car. This is going to make it look like it's driving really fast. Just one more thing, a nice oval shape for the headlight. I think you're done, Artie.
I finished.
I thought you had.
Yeah,
Are you pleased?
I'm really happy with it.
Oh, good.
It looks great.
It really does.
Artie, I think you should color it in now.
Get your markers, Artie. Let's go.
Artie's finished. All done.
Oh, it looks wonderful, Artie. And I love that you coloured it in blue. Most sports cars are red. I love that you chose blue. Very creative.
Yeah.
Let's put it on the fridge.
Okay.
Bye, Artie!
Hey, kids, have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.